Only my voice is clear, I guess. Yeah. It won't take much time. On an average, just 30 minutes actually. Let's continue. Let's continue. Good. Now the very first point. This topic is not that much important, but you should have an idea. మీకు ఐడియా ఉండాలి ఈ టాపిక్ గురించి. Why? Because joining is the very common operation in a database actually. What exactly, sir? Database. I mean to say, whenever you are talking about the database, so simple database is a software. Database, what exactly? Software. By using database, we can store the data. Chapter, sir? We can store the data. That's it. We can store the data. We can store the data in a tables actually. In a what exactly, sir? Storing is happening by using table. By using what exactly? Table in a database. Now think like, so there are two tables. I mean to say, you can just try to apply join operation. What operation? Join operation by using two tables. By using what exactly? Same kind of some join operation we can still apply by using two data frames. By using what exactly? Two data frame. That's what you need to be understand. I'm repeating again. If anyone don't know, Daniel, I don't know database, what I need to do, don't worry. I will cover actually. The database I'm going to cover. Whenever you're talking about the database is a software. By using that, we can store the data. By using that, we can store what exactly? Data, right? So the data is being getting storing in the form of table. Kind of some table number one, employee table, customer table, admin table, transaction table. These are all tables actually. So sometimes the common operation in database actually, DB developer, joining the two tables. Joining what exactly? The same operation still we can perform by using data frame. Still we can perform by using, that's we are going to work actually. That we are going to work, right? Now let's move on. If anyone is coming from DB background, kindly please make a note. This is a small information for you. We can still do by using data frames, join operation. Yeah. By using pandas, we can perform join operation as well. This, this is the name. This is the same as join operation in a database. Here we are performing join in between the data frame. Joining is the process of bringing two data frames into what exactly, man? One data frame based on some common attributes. Based on some what exactly? Common attribute. Next one. Let me tell you, there is for everywhere either method or function actually. I have one small question. How to load CSV file? Read underscore CSV. How to get the top 5 rows? Head method. How to get the bottom 5 rows? I wanted to get the data frame information. What method? Same thing like that. If you wanted to perform join operation, you need to call one function. Function name is a merge. What is the function name? Merge actually. MERGE. How can I say this is the function? Because you are calling by using pandas. Because you are calling by using what exactly? This total parameters I can talk later. The total parameters I can talk what exactly later. Even these are all points we can understand later. Types of join. We have a 4 types of joins. The first one will be inner join. What is the first one, sir? Hold on. First one is a inner merge. Next one left merge, right merge, outer merge. These are all also called as a inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. Come on, one more time. Inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer. Sir, is it inner join or kinder join actually? Inner join. Make a note on this. Okay. Yeah. Good to go. All right. Now we are entering into an example actually. So this theory and this diagram, you will understand. This is something like, imagine this one is a one circle. Would have some data. Would have some data. This one indicates to common data. The middle one indicates to what exactly? Common data. I will talk this one. Hold on. It is also called as a intersection. What exactly mean? Intersection. Actually, we are good to go. Now look at this one. Here you need to spend some time. Here you need to spend what exactly? Some time. Please understand. We are creating a two data frames. We are creating a two data frames. Data frame number 1 and data frame number 2. I would like to say data frame number 1, data frame number 2. Okay, cool. In a first data frame, ID, name, subject, 3 columns. Second data frame also ID, name, subject. Okay. Don't compare as of now. Let me explain about one thing. ID, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Name, Pradhan, Venu, Madhurima, Nirikshan, Shafi, Veeru. So imagine Pradhan joined for one course. What is the course? English. Chappan sir? English. Venu joined for Java. Madhurima joined for? Nirikshan joined for? It should be Python, right? Next one will be Shafi, C. Veeru, .NET. We are good to go. Now the next data point. Next one is a data frame, right? Again, next data frame. This one is a next table, next information actual. The IDs will be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right. The next one, name. Srinu. What exactly? Now please focus. In two data frame, there is a column you have to focus. That column name is called as a subject. Talk with me, sir. Sir, Chapari, a column actually? Subject. Here, first one is what exactly? Chapan, sir. Do you think English is available here actually? Daniel, no, English is not available. It is okay. The next one, Java. Yeah, Java is available. Here also, Java. And who is learning Java? Venu Java. And Java is learning Srinu. Here HTML, Madhurima, Sumant, Python, Nirikshan, Python, Daniel. And C, Shafi, C programming language, Arjun. Sir, .NET. And here also what exactly? .NET actually. Can I get a response from you? Now conclusion of the story. Here English is not available inside this table. But in CPP also it is not available. Did you notice actually? This is kind of some small data analysis. Whenever you are creating the data frame, you have to do little analysis actually. What data would you have? What data we don't have? You need to do actually. Sir, me kardo inda. Now what exactly we are doing is, we are trying to joining these two data frames by using merge function. By using what function? Let's do that. How we are going to do? Let's do that. First, let me create a data frames. Children, it's very simple. Make a note on this. I'm creating a dictionary. I hope you know. ID, name, subject. By using these three, I'm planning to creating a data frame. ID, name, subject. Two data frames I'm creating. How many data frames? Two data frames. Now, let me create a two data frames. Yeah, we are creating that. Let me just try to print df1. Let me just try to print df2. Two data frames created. Wow, we are good to go. Sir, how many data frames? Two data frames. Get ready. And let us just try to move on. This two data frame, let me just try to take into the picture. Come on. I don't know, my system became a bit slow. Take this snap and you can paste here. Yeah, let's take this. These two are the data frames. These two are what exactly mean? Data frame. Now let us apply join operation. What operation, sir? Join operation. Get ready to understand. To whenever you are applying the join operation, very good. Now the first one will be join. To apply the join operation, this is the syntax. Very simple. First of all, you need to call a function. Function name is a merge. What is the function? Merge actual. So you need to call by using PD. And this function takes 4 parameters, boss. How many parameters? 4 parameters. First one data frame, second one data frame. It is also called as a left side data frame. It is also called as a right side data frame. Chappan sir. Left and right data frame. Good. Two parameters. Third parameter name. Here you need to specify the common column name from the 2 data frames. Chappan sir. Common column name. One more time. Sir, my favorite syntax. Ayo, keyword argument. What exactly? You should remember. The next one, how? Hey, boss, you wanted to apply join, right? What kind of join actually? I wanted to apply inner join. What join? Then we have to specify the specific word. Inner you have to specify actually. Then backend it will apply inner join. What join? The moment whenever you're applying, what kind of result you will get, you know, sir? From the both data frame, you are applying on subject actually. I'm sorry. The common data you will get actually. What data you will get, man? What is the common data? Can you tell me? English. First of all, that is not a common. This row will not get actually. Okay. Next one, talk with me. Java. Tell me, sir. Yeah, we'll get. Next one, HTML. Next one, Python. Next one, C. Next one, .NET. Now, English will not get. What is the next one? Very good. You understand very clearly. But listen carefully. Both output is combined and we will get a single data frame. We will get what exactly? Let me show you how you are going to get that result actually. All right. Can I run this one? You will get an idea. Very good. So please make a note. This is the result we got it. Now here it will be helpful for you. Let us bring first example. Understand next to 3 examples like this actual. Understand the first examples very clearly. First example. Yeah. I would like to say, Ayyo sir. I can make it. This one is DF1. This one is what exactly, sir? DF. Chappan sir. DF2 actually. Good. The moment whenever you are talking about the DF1 and DF2, and can somebody talk with me what exactly you have provided actually? What column you have specified here actually, sir? Subject column. That column, it will comes exactly like a middle actually. What exactly, sir? Middle. Okay. So we are getting the output will be subject here. Yeah, Daniel. By targeting the middle, left hand side data frame, right hand side data frame actually. And one more point. What is the name of the column? ID. What is the name of the column? If you are getting ID and ID, we'll get a confused. That's what by default Pandas is making kind of some prefixing the value. What meant? Prefix and suffix actually. The left hand side, what column is available? It is renaming as a renaming ID underscore X. Chappan sir. ID underscore X. Next one is what exactly now? ID underscore Y. Good. Now in ID, sir, can I ask a question? English, this is not matching with the second data frame, right? That's what this record didn't came, right? You know, to Venu Java. Yeah, first subject is the Java actually. I need your response, man. What is the first subject, man? Java. So when you are looking at the Java, what record is available? To Venu. Here it is matching exactly. From the Java, what record we supposed to get actually, sir? 11 Srinu. 11 what exactly? Srinu. Same thing like that, HTML also. HTML record. 3 Mudrima. 3 Mudrima, ma'am. And here what exactly, man? 12 Sumant actual. We are getting. Next one, Python. In a Python, 4 Nirikshan. And here is what exactly? 14 Daniel. And C programming language. Conclusion of the story, we are getting common data. We are getting what data, man? Conclusion of the story, we are not getting English actually. We are even not getting what exactly, no, sir? This one. Can I get a response? Did you understand? I need a response. No, what exactly you need to be understand? Whenever you are applying inner join, first of all, you will get a common data from the both data frame. What data, sir? Common data actually. You have to practice this. Let's take this code. Inner join. We'll get common data. Walk through the material. Let me open the material and I can walk through. You will get an idea. Now previously I skipped, right? I skipped the lot of theory. Go back to the theory. Go back to the theory. It's a right time. You can understand actually. You can just try to come here. Did you remember in first only I have skipped actually. Back to the session. Good. We should access this function by using pandas library. I mean to say merge we can access by using pandas. By using this function, we can perform join operation over the data frame. How argument? What argument? The how argument helps to specify the type of the join. What join you wanted to specify, that join, what join you wanted to work actually, that join you can specify actually. Inner join. We can perform inner join in the data frame. This inner join is a kind of some intersection, means it keeps common data. Simple man. It keeps what data? Common data. What data, sir? Common data. Think like, so here we have a, listen carefully. I'm repeating again. Think like in a first circle, would have a 1 to 10 numbers. How many numbers? How many numbers? In second circle, think like 5 to 20 numbers. How many numbers? 5 to 20. What is the common data? 5 to 10. That's what you need to be understand. That common data. I wanted to see only the common data actually. Then you have to apply inner join. What join? Are you clear about this one? Move to the next example. Very simple. Kindly please walk through, so merge is a predefined function, blah, blah, blah. Just now I have code actually. To perform inner join, we need to pass how argument as an inner. This one is a syntax. Next one is a left join. Understand the diagram. Next one is what exactly mean? Left join. In a left join, first of all, the name itself is talking. I need all data from left hand side data frame. I need all data. So think like I need 1 to 10. I need what exactly mean? 1 to 10. Along with that, I wanted to get common data also. I wanted to get what exactly? Common data also. I wanted to get common data. Here is a one small twist actual. Let me execute that one, you will get an idea. Let me execute that one, you will get what exactly? Idea. Let me stop the session for 1 minute. How is the practice, man? Practice is doing right? And do the practice pandas and daily Python revision required? Daily what is required? Daily Python revision is required. Especially function, whoops topic, daily revision is required. Just to spend daily on an average 30 minutes, open the material, just try to do the revision actually. You can read the material, that's it. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. Take a hard copy, man. Take what exactly? Hard copy. Take a Xerox. Xerox, it would be more, I'm sure. Reading in a laptop is quite different. Reading in a laptop and mobile quite different. Reading with hard copy is a different actually. Since our childhood, we read from hard copies. We read from automatically our brain adopted more with hard copy. That's what still I can maintain hard copies actually. If I need any kind of material, even soft copies are available. I can just try to load into my iPad, but I can prefer more. What exactly sir? Hard copies actually. Hard copies. It's a very simple. On an average, the Python goes to some 100 or 200 rupees actually. You can go for that Xerox. It will be helpful for you. Let's move on. I know you guys are very good in preparation. Keep continue the same actual. Online team, what about you? That is why we asked for hard copy. Yeah, very good. You asked nicely, sir. But unfortunately, from Naresh IT, can I tell one thing? We are sorry, sir, Srinath, sir. Unfortunately, we are not providing hard copy. Thank God, we are at least providing soft copies actually. Can I get a response from you? Right, So we have to get the hard copies. Okay. We are sorry for this. Sorry for this, and we are providing only soft copies. From NIT actually. Okay, we are good to go. One minute. Yeah, yeah, I'm back, sir. Good, good. I'm telling. 1 minute. I will not take much time. I'm telling one thing. I'm telling one thing. So let us take our material. Let us take what exactly, sir? Our material. Our material. If anyone prepared, if anyone what exactly prepared our material. I hope this point I already told actually our materials. Daniel, I have prepared 1 or 2 or 3 times actually. Try for data science job. Try for what job actually? Data science job. No doubt in that actually you will get a job. Trust me, you will get a job actually. If anyone prepared 10 times actually, how many times, man? 10 times. This is quite interesting. Keep on doing rubbing the material, keep on doing preparing and grinding the material actually. Try for data science trainer job actually. What job, man? Trainer job. This is quite interesting. You can try also. But you have to get some add-on teaching skills also required. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? So one of my old batch student, he tried for data science trainer in HCL company. He selected as a corporate trainer. What exactly, man? He selected actually. Exactly he delivered. They have given the demo. We have to deliver the topic. He given left and right actually. I mean to say topic he have taken, he explained one by one. He got selected actually. You can try. Nothing is wrong with that. Okay. But don't try it Naresh. Why? Because I'm here actually. మీకు అర్థం sir? I'm kidding. Don't come for competition for me. Hey, I'm kidding. You can come. I like competition actually. Back to the session. I'm sorry for kidding. Yeah. Currently we are working with the topic. The topic name is called as a merge and join. What is the topic? Merge and join. Sir, simple. The first one is a inner join. What is the first one? Inner join. So in a inner join, we'll get a common data. We'll get what data? Common data. Now let me tell you the left join in the sense, so keep every row in the left data frame. I mean to say we'll get the total left side data frame. Where are missing the values? Those values we are getting like what exactly, sir? None value. What value? Oh, let me show you. Let me show you. So the same code actually, there is no change in the code. There is no what exactly change in the code. Here is the change actually. Go back. Go back to the example. The same data frame we are taking. We are taking the same data frame. Any idea what is the change here? Name of the variable is a change. Any idea what is this? Left. Previously inner. Right. You can just try to come here. You can just try to make it like left join. Left join actually. Left join. Oh, yeah. I need to change. Otherwise, what error? Very good. Name error. What error, sir? Name error. This is beautiful, sir. This is beautiful. We got this output actually. Please make a note. Please make a note. So here is output actually. Here is what exactly mean output. I can say this one is df1. I can say this one is df2. Can I ask a question? The result is belongs to what exactly? Left. The result is belongs to left. I mean to say total I need left side data frame. What data frame? I mean to say whenever you're talking about the left actually df1 is the left side data frame. Okay. Now from here to here, trust me, 1 to almost this total data, 1 to almost what exactly, sir? 1 to Daniel, this total data you are getting here actually. You are getting what exactly here. If you want, you can cross verify. Kind of some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 actually. Pradhan, Venu, Madhurima, Nirikshan, Shafi, Viru. English, Java, his English, Java, respectively. The last one is a .NET. Here is the story. As I told you, the total left side data frame along with that common data also. Along with that, what is the common data? First of all, Java is the common data, HTML is the common data, Python is the common data, C is the common data, .NET is the common data. But let me tell you, one data is not available. What is that data actually? English. Though English is not available, it should not make it like a empty actually. Instead of making like a empty, it is filling with NaN. It is filling with, then you should not ask a question what is, why? Because we already know what is NaN actually. That's why the moment whenever you are providing this one is a NaN, the data type automatically changes actually. What is the data type, sir? Floating data type. What data type? మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Hope you understand, right? Take this one. Who can change, sir? Rename. Rename actually. Tell me, sir. Instead of getting IDX and what exactly? IDY. You need ID. ID then what exactly? Sir, first of all, joining means left hand side definitely this data is required, this data is required. If you're talking about only ID, maybe you may get this data, then we can miss this data actually. I hope you understand. Okay, yeah, all right. Now take this one. And now I would like to say this one is left to join actually. What exactly mean? Left to join. Right, I'm sure you understand what is a left to join. What exactly, sir? Left to join. Can you guess for the right join? Right join guess chestara. Right join means the total right side data along with the common data. Where are all not matching, that will get as a none. Which one will get as a none actually? Exactly. For the CPP row, for this what exactly mean? CPP row will exactly get what exactly, you know, sir? None actually. Come on, let's do that. Very good, very good. First one is a inner join. Next one is left join. Next one, very simple. That's what I told. This chapter is a very simple and you can understand easily. Same thing, keep rows in the right data frame where there are missing values of n, you know, so the left hand data frame filled with n value. Then now let us just have to take this one. Sir, my favorite syntax. What value you need to provide? Right value. Easy, man. Very easy. See, exactly what you said. You know, for CPP record, first of all, total left side data frame we got it. I'm sorry, man. Right side data frame. See, Java, HTML, CPP, Python, C.NET. Java, HTML, CPP, Python, C.NET actually. Now, when it comes to left hand side data frame, CPP is not matching. What is not matching, man? CPP is not matching. That record we are getting as a none. Though this is the none, these are all values are filling with what exactly? Floating data type. What data type? Now, along with that, we are getting the common data. Java is available in first data frame, HTML, CPP is not there, Python, C.NET actually. Hope you got it. Good. First one, inner join. Next one, left join. Next one, right join. Third one will be full outer join. What exactly? Full out. What do you mean by full outer join? What exactly? Full out, yeah, good. Full outer join means total data. What data? Where are all not matching, it will be filled with none. That's it. For English, you know, second data frame is the none. For CPP, first data frame is a none actually. That's the cinema. Okay. You can do that. Oh, hold on. Somebody is asking question. What is that? How to get in? Simple, sir. You can apply as type method actually. Am I right? Simple, sir. We can apply as type method. What method actually? As type method, which we discussed in. Any idea which chapter we discussed actually? Chapter number 12. Handling missing value. Handling what value? Missing value. Good. We are good to go. Good. Very good. Go back. Yeah. Oh my God. Full outer join. Complete data. The whole data I need actually. Where are all there are no common data, then those are all filling with what exactly? None value. Very simple, man. Now here we need to specify. Just see. The total code is the same. You need to understand first one example actually, and you know all other data it is a very common. Now here outer you need to specify. What we need to specify? We are good to go. See, first of all, we are getting the total data. Where are all CPP is available? Here we are getting NAN. Where are all English? English, sir. Yeah, English is available. We are getting as a NAN actually. We got a all common data. We got all what exactly mean? Common data. That's what you need to be understand. You need to practice, man. Let me tell you. Did I specify here what join? Right, Jen, I have missed, I guess, actually. It's okay. All right, Jen, kindly please walk through the material. We are good to go. Small update and kind update for you actually. Let me tell you, for whole my batches, the moment when I started the data science, I will give, I never discuss one point actually. Why? Because this topic is not that much important. We already covered 4 types of joins. Not only this, if anyone is from database background, if you wanted to know other joins actually, yes, one-to-one, many-to-one, many-to-many possible. Kindly please walk through the material. We are not covering this actually. I mean, being a data scientist, this is not required, but still, I'm providing example. This is up to you. You know, we'd have other content. This you need to walk through actually. Can I get a response from you? Yeah. So even for, if you want, you can cross verify. Other batches also, I never cover this kind of examples actually. You know, we done this one. That's what I told. It is a very simple. The next topic is a concat. Just a matter of 15 minutes actually. Concat. The next topic is a concatenation. We are almost very near for the project discussion. Daniel, we done this. Look at me. Look at me, everyone actually. Can somebody tell me what is the topic name, sir? Manu continue chese topic enti? Concat. Good. So please make a note. The chapter number 18 and chapter number 12 having the relation. Chapter number 12 having what exactly? Relation. So kindly please understand the chapter. Indirectly, this chapter, it will be helpful when you are learning the 12 chapter actually. Can I get a response from you? What I mean to say that, you know, 21. What topic actually? 21. Conclusion of the story, if you learn 18 topic, then get ready. You are going to learn about the 21st topic. I'm sorry. 21st topic actually. I mean to say. Did you remember what is the topic? Indirectly, I wanted to give a quick introduction about the none, but the major topic is the 12. Handling missing value. What value actually? None value. None value. Now, I mean to say. So, concat, if you really understand concat, chapter number 18, which is having relationship with what exactly? 21 actually. We are good to go. Let me delete these. Let me close these all. What all we are not using. Concat, very simple. Concat, very simple. Please make a note on this one. Now here, what is the topic, sir? Concat. So imagine, based on requirement, you can add or concatenate one data frame with what exactly? Another data frame. Right. So don't get confused. Joining is different, concatenation is different in terms of the data frames. In terms of what exactly? Data frame. But in terms of the Python string, join and concatenation, both are same. You can pronounce like a same actually. Now let me explain one small example. The example will be, I will cover this one, kindly please be patient. See. So think like would you have a two data frames? Would you have how many data frames? Two data frames, very small data frames actually. The first data frame is A comma B, columns actually. The second data frame having the columns A comma B, and which is having the data index 0 comma 1, here also 0 comma 1. The data will be 11, 33, 22, 44, 55, 77, 66, 88 actually. Now Daniel, I want to apply concatenation. I want to apply what exactly? Concatenation. What do you mean by concatenation, you know? So Daniel, I wanted to take this data frame and this data frame, then I wanted to make it like a single data frame. It's not like previously you done join operation. First I need this data frame. Anyway, column names are same. The total data also I wanted to get bottom only. I wanted to get what exactly? Bottom only. That is called as a concatenation. That is called as what exactly? Concatenation. Let me show you the output actually. Make output చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. Yeah, I'm looking exactly like this actually. Anyway, column names are same. It's okay. I want this data. Yes, you are getting this data. First of all, we have a single data frame. Column names are same. Let us make it the common column name. And this one is the first data frame data. This one is the second data frame data actually. But one small twist here. What is a twist? You know, what is index actually? If you are getting the same data, that is okay. But index 0, 1, next one is a 0, 1. A little confusion. Daniel, I wanted to format the index. Very simple. Very simple. What we need to do, you know. Here, whenever you are calling the function, you need to call one predefined keyword argument actually. That argument is what exactly, no sir? Ignore underscore index equals what exactly? True. Then you will get nice index actually. You will get what exactly? Nice index. Nice index. It's a right time I need to execute actually. Make ardhamayinda sir. Yeah. So not only simply scrolling. Let me execute the example. Yeah. To do the concatenation, concat is a predefined function in pandas package. We should access this function by using pandas library name. This function concatenate one data frame with what exactly? Another data frame, right? Now, let me create a two data. Let me create a two data frames. We are good to go. Let me create a two data frames. Nested list I'm taking. Good, awesome. We have created a two data frames. I'm sure no explanation required. If still anyone having any confusion, what exactly you done? For you, little revision is required actually. So simple, I'm creating a data frame by taking a nested list actually, and I'm assigning the name of the columns. I'm assigning what exactly? Name of the column. Take this one, creating two data frames. Now Daniel, I wanted to apply concatenation. Here is a beautiful point actually. Very, very important point. All right. Now if you wanted to call concat function, listen carefully. Concat function will take parameter as a list actually. Parameter is what exactly mean? List. I mean to say, okay, this one is a concat. Here you need to provide that list. Inside that list, what we need to do, you know, what are all data frames you wanted to concatenate? Store inside list. Store inside what exactly? List. Go back to the Python. List is a data structure, madam. List is what exactly? Inside list data structure, you can store 10, 20, 30, 40. Normal list actually. But the beauty will be, list to data structure is such a powerful, it can store integer value, it can store float value, it can store string value, it can store data frame also. It can store what exactly, madam? Yeah, let me show you that. Let me show you that. First point, let me show you that actually. Good, result equals to list of 10, 20, 30. and even 1.23 comma, this one is what exactly, Daniel? I hope you already know. I have created a list. I have created a list data structure. Come on, look at my screen. Yeah, list actually. Very good. Sir, this one is a normal list. Hey Daniel, inside list, can I store one data frame? One actually, sir, you can store actually. Come on, let us see here actually. Quite interesting. చూడండి స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటుంది. Such a powerful, wow. First to data frame, you know, it is storing from here to here, first to data frame actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? List is such a powerful, that's what I told, list is important actually. You can just try to come here, provide comma. I wanted to store df2 also. I wanted to store what exactly? df2 also. That is still possible. From here to here, data frame number 1. From here to here, data frame number 2 actually. Now, why we are storing into list, you know, concat function takes this list actually. Concat function take this list and it can apply concatenation. It can apply what exactly, sir? Concatenation. మీకు అర్థమైందా sir? I need a response actually. If you want, let me repeat one more time. What I mean to say that, you know, చూడండి. I understand. Daniel, the result will be final data frame. Final data frame equals to pd dot concat function you need to call. What function you need to call? Concat function. Here, one parameter is required. This parameter should be list. Should be what exactly mean? List with data frames. With what exactly? Data frames actually. Syntactically what they done, you know, the one who created a concat actually, so he made it like a parameter should be list. Inside that list, store all data frame, give me that list actually. At least now I hope you got a clear picture. Can I get a response? Very good actually, right? You can just have to come here. Result equals to, చెప్పండి సార్, result equals to ఏం ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలి? List of df1 comma df2. Now any idea here what I need to provide actually? We are good to go. Perfect. Awesome man. You understand I guess actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? If you really understand, can I ask one question? What is concat? Predefined function. Concat function takes parameter as a, that list should be data frames. List should contain, very simple. This point is important to understand 21st topic. This point is important to understand what exactly 21st topic actually. Alright. Here I am taking how many data frame? In 21st topic, we are going to take almost 12 data frames, man. How many data frame? Quite interesting. I'm sure you will enjoy a lot actually. Column should be matched, sir. If it is not matching, you know, so it will just try to recreate with the suffix actually. In 21st chapter, there are few columns which is not matching actually. I will tell you. Okay. One more question. Your answer will be, you know, your question will be answered in example number 4 actually. I may take a different columns, you will get an idea. Yeah, tell me. Who can do, sir? Who can do actually? Okay. That's what. If you wanted to merge more than 2, many to 1 we do have actually, you need to walk through that. I left out, right? So that's what you need to walk through. In the output we are getting like, you know, tell me. Both you will get, sir. Both you will get actually. Okay. Yeah. But let me tell you, mostly, that's what. Did you remember? Good question. Go back to the, if you really done practice iLock LO, you know, here iPhone is available. If you're trying to accessing iPhone, all iPhone records you will get actually. That's what if you're trying to accessing 0, 2 records you will get actually. Good question. What our what our friend is asking, I read Daniel, if I'm accessing by using iLog 0, what record you will get actually? Both records will get. Why? Because, you know, whenever you are working with the selection, LOC, ILOC, so whenever you are trying to accessing, especially ILOC, if you are accessing index actually, the total records you will get actually. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, good. Move on. Back to the session. Now, Daniel, I wanted to format the index. I wanted to format what exactly mean? Index actually. So simple, you can just have to take this example. Now please understand the difference. Ayyo. Index is formatted. Index is what exactly? Formatted actually. So kindly please make a note on this one. Index is formatted. Somewhere someone asked this question. Maybe I don't know, whenever, I forget actually. So imagine whenever you are working with example, we got index different actually. Someone asked, I wanted to format the index. This is the answer. This is the answer. Someone asked actually. Let me take this. Yeah. Are you clear till now? మీకు ఇప్పటివరకు అర్థమైందా? Good. We'll do one thing. Look at the next example. Output, look at the next example. You talk with me. Can somebody tell me first data frame having how many rows? Chappan sir, 2 rows. Second data frame having how many rows? That is still okay. If you are still applying, the first data frame rows and second data frame rows actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Go back. Now here, what exactly I'm doing? What exactly I'm doing is, in a second data frame, I wanted to take one extra row. That is okay. You can take actually. Now, kindly please make a note actually. Yeah. You are getting the same output. You are getting what exactly? First data frame, second data frame. Okay. Good. The next examples, like look at my screen actually, next example. The next example would be, yeah, we are getting this one actually. And I hope I didn't apply ignore underscore index. That is the next example. For the same data. For the same data, I'm applying ignore underscore index. Ignore underscore what exactly? Index actually. This one is a quite, sir, you asked a question, right? If the column names are different actually. Now, previously we applied concatenation. The first data frame column name AB. Second data frame column name AB previously. But now here we are taking data frame 1 and data frame 2. Good. Let me just try to take a first data frame A comma B. Second data frame X comma Y actually. Let us apply concatenation. Let us apply what exactly? This is quite interesting actually. This is what? If column names are different, get ready, you have to apply some small extra syntax actually. What is that one, now here is the concatenation. Previously, the total, this one is a single data frame, so the first data frame and second data frame. I can tell this one is a first data frame, this one is second data frame actually, previously. Now in this scenario, what happened, sir? Now here, this one is the result. For this one, it will come like here actually. Something like a neighbor. Something like what exactly, sir? Neighbor actually. I mean to say, here X will come, here Y will come. This data, it will be shifted to here actually. This data, it will be what exactly means? Shifted to here. Sir. I need a response. I will show you the example, you will get an idea, don't worry. If column names are different, whenever you are calling a function, the function name is a concat. Here you need to specify access. Here you need to specify what exactly? Access. What do you mean by access? Was apply operation based on column wise. Based on what wise actually? Column wise. By default, rows wise. By default, what exactly? Rows wise actually. I mean to say, take this one. Access equals to 1. Means apply concatenation based on column wise. What exactly mean? Column wise. Access equals to 0. Apply concatenation based on row wise actually. What exactly, sir? Row wise. But let me tell you, this is by default. You don't need to specify also. This is default. If you want column wise, then only we need to specify actually. This one is a default. And let me tell you, even when I was new to pandas, when I was getting what is this access 0, sir, there are mosquitoes, man. Sorry. When I was new to the pandas, when I'm looking at access equals to 1, access equals to 0, hey, how to remember actually? How I remember, you know, నేను ఎలా గుర్తుంచుకున్నానో తెలుసా? What is this one? Any idea? చెప్పండి sir. 1. In column you can see 1 here actually, then you can remember. Hello sir. Good, right? I'm sorry for kidding. Access equals to 1. Column having 1, then you can remember. Row don't have a 1 actually. Row ki 1 లేదు actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా? Please make a note like that. There are some shortcuts actually from my bucket. Back to the session. Let us just to apply this. Man, I will execute line by line. You will get an idea. So come on, import pandas as a PD. One small point. You guys looks dull actually. What happened? Are you okay? I mean, you in the sense, everyone. Are you fine? Yeah, good. Please. Your faces are looks like, you know, sir, last 2 days onwards, we didn't had a lunch actually. Something like that. Please. Is it okay? Can I conduct 1 day exam? 1 day, so that you can feel at least revision you can do actually. Please. Maybe next week I can plan. 1 day completely. Let us start from Python. Let us start from what exactly? Python. Either offline or online actually. Online team you have to write without seeing. I can share my number actually. Then you have to share your, you know, what you have written. Without seeing you have to, you know, write actually. On an average, I will give 5 questions. You have to attempt the 5 questions. You have to write the theory and you have to write few programs actually from our material only. From our what exactly mean? If there is an exam, you will get at least some interest actually. You will get at least some interest to revise. Up to you, I will not force. You know, exam, how to miss the exam is, that is up to you. You can plan accordingly actually. That day you may get some stomach pain actually. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, good. Right, plan accordingly. Maybe next week I can plan. We'll see. Come on, please look at my screen. Let me explain the output actually. Data frame number 1, data frame number 2. This is quite interesting, man. This is called as a column wise operation. What operation, sir? One more time. Column wise operation. Let me ask you one question. One question let me ask. Such a beautiful question. Get ready to answer actually. Boss, it is okay. First data frame, how many rows? Chappan sir, 2 rows. Second data frame. Now what I'm planning, you know, in second data frame, I'm planning to take one more row. In second data frame, I'm planning to take what exactly? One more row. Then what will happen? In first data frame, here we'll get a data. What about these values? Very good. That's it actually. That's it. N will get actually. Come again. Exactly. Float it will come, you know, N will come. That's the next example. I mean to say, what exactly I'm doing is, here I'm taking, in second data frame, I'm extending one row. In second data frame, I'm extending what exactly mean? One row actually. Now let me run this code. You will get an idea. Perfect. Exactly. We are getting 65.99 as it is. But left hand side, this data is not available. We are getting as a n, though it is a n, though it is a none actually. We will get these are all. What exactly, sir? Missing value. Can I get a response? Practice, man. These are all practice. That's what we done this chapter actually. There are some online queries. Let me look into that. There are some questions from online. Yeah, tell me. Which one? Extra column. Yeah, that column it will come sir automatically. How we are getting here? Same thing. How we got X and Y? We will get same thing actually. Okay. Do little R&D. You will get an idea. Sir, from full Python, will you prepare the exam or any topics you will say actually? I will give important topics. I will give what topics actually? Important topic. So I need to specify one day, right? At least before how many days I need to tell actually. Can I tell what are all important topics in Python? Important topics in Python actually. Can I tell you? Yeah, good. Let me tell you. These are all important. The first one will be kind of some flow control. The next one is a string. The next one is a, so module. The next one is a function, part number 1. Function, part 2 actually. I will give some sample questions also. How I will ask actually. All data structures important. All data structure. List, tuple. Next one is a set, dictionary actually. Any guessing what is the last topic? Come again. Yeah, oops, important actually. That's what. These are all important topic. These are all important topic actually. Right. Now what question I will give you, So come on, listen carefully. I will give a question like explain about all arguments actually. Types of arguments. Explain about what exactly? Types of arguments. Then in our material, what content would you have? What example would you have? You need to write actually. Without saying that is good practice. Sir, if I conduct exam, you will get interest actually. My main motto will be, I know you might forget, all topics because of Pongal actually, but I wanted to revise. I wanted to what exactly? Revise actually. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, good. And the next even, that's what I'm telling, sir. These are all important topic, not complete Python. I don't know. Did you understand or not? Shivek Sharma, sir. Hold on, sir. I don't know what might be your problem. Good. Raise your hand who are all selected, videos actually. Who are all selected for recordings. Okay. Your name, sir? Your name? Your name? Okay, good. First of all, are you getting recordings? Good. You are getting. Shivek, sir. What happened? I don't know. But who are all opted for videos, they're getting videos regularly. Rishi, sir, are you getting actually? Are you getting videos regularly? I hope you are getting. Sir, check it, sir. In your free time, you have to check it out actually. Okay. Then I need to talk with admin Shivek Sharma. I hope one day I have taken a snap, I guess actually. It's okay. Back to the session. Back to the session. Come on. So where are we? I have taken one extra row. I have taken one extra row for X, second data frame. Then we are concatenation by using axis equals to 1. Sir, axis equals to 1. It is also called as a dimension. What exactly? Dimension. It is also called as a kind of some column wise concatenation. Chapman sir, column wise concatenation. Now let me tell you, axis concat equals to only you are providing the data frame. By default, the concatenation is a row wise. By default, concatenation is a row wise actually. So please make a note, and whenever you are applying the row wise concatenation, column name should be same. Column name should be same actually. Okay. That's it. This one is a very small chapter actually. This one is a very small chapter, and we have closed today 2 topics actually, join and merge. I heard somebody is telling time is over actually. Now this one is a running topic. Yeah, let me tell you, adding, dropping rows and columns, just a matter of 30 minutes, minimum 1 hour actually, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hour. This one 30 minutes, next 2 hours actually. Next what exactly, sir? 2 hours we are going to close pandas. Let me continue. In another 5 minutes, can I continue? But if I continue, I may stop actually. But let me tell you, I will give a small kick introduction. What is this topic? Then tomorrow I can start actually. So listen carefully. Listen carefully. Read the heading very carefully. What is the heading, sir? Data frame, adding, dropping rows and columns. Adding, dropping rows and what exactly? Column. So think like we have created a data frame. Yeah, Daniel, we have created a data frame. So on an average, think like this data frame having, so there is a column number 1, column number 2. There are, I mean to say there are 3 columns. How many columns, man? 3 columns. That is okay. That's okay. Now this one is a 0th index, first index, second index, third index. Think like this one is a data frame. Yeah, good, Daniel. First operation, adding. What is the first operation? First point, how many columns would you have, man? This one is a column number 1, column number 1. This one is a column number 2. And this one is a column number 3. 3 columns would you have? How many columns, sir? 3 columns. Hey, Daniel, this one is a data frame. Can I add a one new column? Can I add what exactly? One new column for the existing data frame? Sir, you can add actually. What exactly, man? You can add. You can add actually. That is nothing but adding a column. Adding what exactly? You can add actually. And Daniel, can I add a one row? You can add actually. That is how adding column and row. I hope you understand the scenario. Can I get a response actually? Good. We'll do one thing. Next point. What is the next operation? Talk with me. Dropping. I mean to say, hey Daniel, column 1, 2, 3. So seems to be third column not required for me. Can I delete this column? Sir, you can delete this column. That is called as a dropping a column. That is called as what exactly? Dropping a column. Who can drop a column? Daniel, can I drop this row? Sir, you can drop actually. If you don't want, you can drop. Now that is called as a adding and dropping either rows or column. That is possible. One small point I am telling. In Panda, by using pandas, anything is possible. No limitation. If you wanted to add a value, you can add a column, drop a column, these are all things we can do. I will explain tomorrow. This is the small kick introduction. Hope you understand clearly. Can I get a response actually? Good. So tomorrow I can continue. We'll continue tomorrow. We'll continue tomorrow. So don't miss tomorrow's session. Almost. Let me give one small time frame. On Friday we are going to close pandas. Friday we are going to close pandas. After pandas, I'm going to cover Jupyter actually. Jupyter. The next one is a project. All right, man. We're done for today's session. Yeah, we done for today's session, man. Please take care, and I take care about how to upload the material. Let me know if I miss any running notes or material or any PDF. I can help you. 16th chapter. After 16th chapter, this one is the 17th. 1 minute. Online team, thank you.